Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to our kitchen, where today we're diving into a delightful noodle recipe that's not only easy to make, but also bursting with flavor. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, this dish is perfect for anyone looking to whip up something delicious in no time. So, let's get cooking. First things first, gather your ingredients. You'll need some oil, chopped onions, tomatoes, green chilies, sliced carrots, capsicum, and, of course, your favorite sauces and boiled noodles. This colorful medley of veggies will not only make your dish vibrant, but also pack it with nutrients. Now, let's heat a generous splash of oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, toss in those chopped onions. As they sizzle, take a moment to appreciate the wonderful aroma that fills the air. You'll want to fry the onions until they turn a lovely golden brown. This step is crucial because it adds a depth of flavor that will elevate your noodles to the next level. Once your onions are beautifully caramelized, it's time to add the chopped tomatoes and green chilies. Stir them in and let them cook until the tomatoes soften and meld with the onions. This is where the magic begins. The combination of these ingredients creates a rich base that will make your noodles irresistible. Next, let's add some sliced carrots. They not only add a nice crunch, but also a hint of sweetness. Pour in about 1/3 of a cup of water to help soften the carrots just a bit. After a few minutes, when the carrots are tender, it's time to introduce the sliced capsicum. The vibrant colors of the capsicum will make your dish pop, and they'll add a delightful crunch as well. Now, let's bring in the flavor. Add all your favorite sauces along with a splash of vinegar. This combination will create a tangy, savory sauce that coats the veggies beautifully. Stir everything together and let it cook until the capsicum softens slightly. Don't forget to add the taste maker. This is your secret weapon for that extra burst of flavor. Finally, it's time for the star of the show, the boiled noodles. Gently fold them into the pan, ensuring every strand is coated in that delicious sauce. Mix everything together, and in just a few moments, you'll have a vibrant, mouth-watering noodle dish ready to enjoy. And there you have it. A simple yet satisfying noodle recipe that's perfect for any occasion. Whether it's a quick weeknight dinner or a cozy meal with friends, this dish is sure to impress. Thank you for joining me today in the kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious cooking tutorials. Happy cooking, and see you next time.